Well, guys, we're back again. Today we're gonna be on the dangerous road, rainy, and it's gonna be a full different experience because now the road is gonna be slick with a lot of rain on it. And I used random vehicles, and the first thing I got is the Bach. I'm not. Oh yeah, the doors can open. I'm not really sure this thing can actually do it. One door. So if I can find the latch, there it is, and let's close the door, and let's get going. You can almost not even hear the engine rev sound. Oh, just fell into the gravel on the side. This is literally just gonna die in the mud here. Wait. It's going somewhere. It's definitely going somewhere. Oh, it's dead. I want to say that every car gets at least one retry. So, yeah, I'm in a good position here to like start. I need to get some speed. And what I mean by speed is this. Out of the gravel, or I should say the dirt. Front wheels appear to be, stanced, which I don't think is a good thing. Or is it? I'm not sure actually. A very freaky interior camera. I literally cannot control this because it's only one-wheel drive. Okay, let's send it forwards. Big turn coming up. I'm using my little. Oh, there's mud again. More speed. I'm using my little navi for this. My little navi system. Up, it's stuck. So now we know the box cannot go through this because it doesn't have the proper wheels. And yeah, this is a one-wheel driver. But if I just go here, and then there should be. Yeah, there is gonna be a rally one. Maybe the rally will do. Just wondering. Let's try this. Definitely getting a little bit more grip than the oh frick. Yeah, it's getting definitely a little bit more grip than the first model, and I just hit a rock, so retry. I think I actually landed that, but I still clicked retry. Don't blame me for this, cause. Oh, come on, come on. Back it up. Yeah, this is actually supposed to be the POP50, but it's now the Bach in Bema.NG. Oh, if I had the race version, then I'd be dead right now. Cause if I got cause that thing has like slicks and you don't get any grip while you're in mud, and it sucks. Whee. Oh, if I just tap parking brakes, I just spin out. It sucks. And yes, when there's mud on this road, this thing dies promptly. But if I look at the bog, this thing should be engineered for a rally, so it should do better in the mud. I think. It's literally going at like 1 mph right now. Oh, it's obviously doing better than the last one because we're actually getting some fair distance. And then we just go back onto the road. Don't fall. I've done a lot of videos where I drive on the non-rainy one, but this one is the rainy. And one of the challenges on the challenge board, I can show the challenge board right now. It's back at the beginning. I'm flying past. Yeah. Right. The challenge board. Get across during night. Use a rain version of this map. Yes, I'm doing it right now. And there's a driving backwards, but oh babe. Oh, it's gonna just right itself almost like every time. Come on. How does this thing manage to right itself? I don't get it. It's so weird. Well, anyway, let's get going. What is the history of this one-wheel drive, one-person car that wants to fall off the cliff at any moment? So, cause the Bach failed, I'm actually gonna use random configuration, not random vehicle. Grand Marshal off-road. Okay. I can go with this. New outside. This is the 2012 Grand Marshal, aka the Dodge Charger. I mean, this thing can off-road, so there should be no problem for it. And yes, I was about to fly off the cliff if it wasn't my excellent driving skills that saved me. The hood is dented because I think, yeah, I got this mod last time. It's called like the dented Grand Marshal parts. And then there's one part of it where the hood is dented. Oh my god, I get no grip. I guess now we're doing it backwards. I hear a cricket right now. Oh, it's not night. Why is there crickets? Oh, it seems RWD rear-wheel drive. Oh, sucks. Come on. It's easy to get spun around, but it's not hard. It's actually really hard to get yourself the right way and keep on driving. I need to watch it because I don't really want to quotation mark floor the gas. This thing will promptly die out and spin, and maybe you have to pick a new car. Yep, we're already beating the balk by like so much right now. Oh, 1-lane road, folks. Drive on the right. Can't believe what the mud section will be like. I mean, like the mud jungle portion. Because right now you can see that the original mud has turned into like muck, watery muck. Because what? There's obviously rain right now. Now they're, yeah, the sticks don't really affect this thing, or maybe like any car. Oh, yeah, this thing has an A+ tier. This thing is pretty fast. Should brake. I don't want to ruin this good run. Brake. Rock. Oh, wheels bent. I'm gonna say the car gets a retread at the point it died, and that's why I should not go fast. Okay, we're already in the mudding section. Doesn't feel like it's much better than the one on the normal map. Oh, wait. Oh, my half so broken. Yep, this thing failed. I need to go back to the main point, which is like right there. I actually made it a long way. Random config. Oh my god, why did it get this like so much time? Oh my god. Now I have to use the Maluk. Does this even have police sirens? No, it doesn't. I'm so angry at what it gave me. I just want to chuck this thing right off the cliff, but I still gotta use it. So you cannot literally see what's inside. It's so weird. Lights. The lights look like they've been painted on. They don't even look like real headlights. Okay, quickly. Headlight inspection. They look so bad. I need to say. Police car coming through. Yeah, I don't think it has the skills to get past this area. Or does it? Anything that's two-wheel drive and has high clearance. I mean, high clearance. I define high clearance as something that has high clearance, then the balk can get past the mud section. Boom. Lost the light bar just like that. Well, that's a very weak light bar. Wait. Stop rolling. I'm watching it roll away. Okay, yes. Fine, one reset, it just died. Police is coming through. Watch out, everybody. They're very bad police car drivers coming through. If you think I'm a bad driver, please tell me in the comments below. And I died again. This thing has no suspension. So let's go back. So far we have the Grand Marshal as the first friend config. Oh, pessimum. Yeah, this thing has a decent chance. Lip. What does lip do? I'm just wondering, is there like air suspension on this? Ooh, steerable. Can't steer it. Okay, what is the steerable thing? Oh, see, it's a rear wiper. Oh, why? And there is no rear wiper. Anything that's interesting. Limo. How about we use the eSIMA? Wrong button. I keep on pressing the wrong button, Bema.NG, because I have this weird issue with myself. Doesn't really matter. I'm just thinking, is this NOS? Yeah. Why would an electric car need gasoline car stuff? I just don't get it. Turn it off. I don't want. Yeah, no ESC. Bad brakes. I hear screeching. Only the good thing is this thing is electric and it actually revs as fast as the Grand. Oh, frick! I'm gonna fall off. The Grand Marshal off-road because it's also an A plus 540 tier. And this thing actually has a real car name. So when I was driving the Grand Marshal off-road, it just said new full size, and I feel like that was one of those glitches that the performance rating mod has, and I'm just wondering when they will fix it because I don't really like seeing it say new full size or modded car or automation pigeon or something. It just sucks. Okay, counter it. Wonder what the AI would do in this situation. Okay, I'm letting the AI take over. Oh, you did not want to be going in there, Mr. AI. I just rescued it. I'm just wondering, is this thing AWD or 4WD? I mean 2WD. Car check of the day. Pull it up, hang it there. Oh, it's AWD. Okay, that solves a lot of my 2WD problems. One thing is, this thing needs better brakes. It screeches so much that it feels like my eardrums are gonna explode. Oh, the NOS actually changes color with what mode of ESC you use. So then you have red, then you have off, which is gray. But you can still arm it though, and then when you arm it, you actually turn on the ESC, and then when you don't want it, it just turns off. It's like so weird. I think it's like one of those color glitches as well. I'm getting so much further than the Grand Marshal off-road right now because that thing was two-wheel drive and they didn't have a lot of, grip, even though it's off-road was. But this thing's like so much better. This thing actually revs. Okay, AI test drive. Okay, AI is now driving and I'm taking a break. I just want to. Oh, frick, that's a rock. Avoid the rock, AI. That's the watchtower I went to in my last video of. I think, yeah, it was Kashira the winner, where I drove the Kashira like so far, more than any other car. I feel like this thing is a giant piece of moving grass, and then just slides off the road if you don't watch where you're going. So you like understeers by like so much. That's the only thing I don't like about it. The Excel is great. I mean, you get like up to 50 like in 10 seconds, I'm guessing, because it's not really your average Lambo, so it doesn't really have to excel that fast. AI drive. What does it think of this road? If there was an AI on the other side, it'd be dead by now. It'd be just. Well, let me just check the road conditions. Yep, if you're driving, just slipped off. Unless you have one of those like very off-roady hoppers. But the mud is actually slippery because there's rainwater, so you'd be dead already if you had even if you had a hopper, you'd be driving on that side of the road. I drive time. Oh frick! I never. Yeah, you need to watch out because you never know what's on the other side of the hill. Because I just almost flew off just because I wasn't paying attention. Actually, it's actually a pretty good car, I gotta admit. Lights. I still want to hit that jump with this thing, but like the next time, maybe at the end of the video, I'll come through and jump it and see how far I can go. Oh yes, I have the hyperbola, just like the flying bolide mod I could also use, and that thing is that yeah, it's called the flying bolide also. So watch out, don't fall in the pit. I mean, if I get anything that's flying and jump that ramp, I'd be like the soaring fighter jet now. Neutral. I so jumped that. Whee! Yo, avoid that. Cruise up a hill. Just cruise down a hill. Do electric cars even have clutches? I'm just wondering. Oh, frick. Should have slowed down for this. Oh, I'm heavily damaged. Rev it into first. Now let's just aim this way and get out of the... That was a rock. That helps. Oh. My car is now only has 2 headlights and it's also bumperless. I wonder what TC would do right now. What is that blinding light? I'd be smoking if I actually had TC on. What is that blinding light? Oh, that's the sun. Does the sun really have to shine through a rock now? What are the Bema.NG physics anyway? Oh, it doesn't want to rev. I think it's dead. Now Bema.NG is glitching out intensively right now. Come on, just rev, little car. Yeah, just died out. Okay, I get 1 reset then. That was the rules. AWD sometimes just sucks. Let's use Sport ESC. Oh, it's gonna overheat like in 10 seconds, I bet. This thing has... Wait. Then this means that this thing is not electric, because why would the engine be overheating if it was an electric car? I just don't get the logic behind this. The world's largest banana has been passed by me in a about to explode electric car. I have no idea what the road is now, so I'm just gonna drive where I think it is. Paved should be coming right up around this corner. There it is. So much better with a paved road. There's like no problem with any of these cars with tree sticks, because I don't think it really affects the car. I'm going so fast, I should go slowly. Oh yeah, this is a horrible section. I should turn on ESC for this. And the horrible sound of wheels and brakes just colliding with it just sucks. Sucks so much. Oh, don't fall. one placement per car. I'll just turn off that freaking ESC. Much better. Oh, I'm dying. Yeah, this thing is conked out. Come on. Come on. Why do you have to conk out right now? Worst moment to conk out. So back. If I can't even back onto the road, I'm dead. Electric Pessima dies. Get out of the car before it's too late. Run! Bye-bye. Let me be like, bye-bye. Okay, I need to go down there and get the car back on to the beginning platform because I need to summon a new one. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this thing has like a horrible radiator, but has such a good accel. And can't believe this thing actually made it that far. What next? And don't talk about this. I don't really like F1s in Bema.NG because they no automation vehicles. This one sucks. No, yeah, this thing's also gonna break. Okay, Barstow Bumblebee. Its license is literally just RR. Okay, this is Mr. Understeer with too much wheel spin. The front wheel feels so stiff. What's up with them? Oh, these are donk wheels. I hate donk wheels. No suspension, and they're really stiff, and they're not even meant for mudding. But the only good thing is this thing has high clearance and some good acceleration when you're like doing police chases, but just we're not doing police chases in here, so practically useless. I'm just gonna let AI drive, and I want to go do something else now. Actually, no. Okay, just counter it. Freaking counter it. Rain.NG Drive. Relax me in the way I Bema.NG Drive. I'm not even driving. So when I see the road, the mud with the rock, I'm gonna slow this thing down and then see if I can pass it. I think it's coming up. No, that's not it. This is the tree twig section. Yeah, this thing has no TC, so it doesn't really matter what I do. Okay. Are you there? Oh, that's it. It's a stiff car with stiff wheels with stiff everything. And stiff suspension. This thing, if off-road cars had like giant tires with donk wheels, then they should be good at even crossing a river. I have a bad pull now. I have no idea why. Oh, I'm flying off. This thing has no grip. To make it fair, let's use my second reset. No, what goes broken? This doesn't work. Bloop. Okay, it gave me the Ford S Max, which is one of those little Ford cars. E. There is no EV mode. Let me just find a hybrid mode if there is like a hybrid car. EcoBoost. Does this work? No, I think it might be an. Oh, that's the hybrid. It's like right there. EUV version. They have like the different name for this in Europe than the US, I think. EV mode enabled. Let's EV this bad boy out of here. I can see speed limiter, manual intelligent tolerance. So when I crash this, I'm just gonna go end the video here because I've attempted like so many cars and none of them can beat the challenge of the not dirty, the dangerous road. I'm watching for like the track TC sign. Up, let's go back into mud. Turn off TC will it let me? Yes. Look, that engine's back on. Wait, what does that actually say on the back? Vigno. Ford Vigno. The S Max is now the Vigno in the UK and the United Kingdom area. Let it cruise. That was one. It's actually one pedal driving, so. I heard some intense sounds. Like, I think one of the wheels getting no traction. I have no idea what's good about one pedal driving. I just don't get it. I mean, helps you counter when you're going down a hill. That's the good thing. I feel like when I get to a reasonable point, I'm going to end the video. So I think I can remember some of the cars I did. First one is the Bach. That failed. Then we did the Grand Marshal Off-Road. That also failed. Then we did the Petissima. So the Bach got the least points. I should say the furthest. Nah. So like Bach got last place. Then followed by the Bastion Off-Road. Then with the Pessima. But I'm not sure how far the Ford Vignale can make it. So let's just keep on driving this. I need to make it past yeah, I need to make it past and into I forgot like this very skinny off-road section. Cause I'm so like bored right now. How about I just place myself there and just test this thing's off-roading abilities? The road goes over here. We have this very mountainy area with the one-lane road. I remember. Then we go down. Then it's another off-road trail. Then when we get up, it should be no, that's not it. This is the world's largest banana display. Then we get over here, and this is where it is. This is where the Pessima conked out because it had a very bad high clutch temperature problem. So what about the E Max, or I should say the S Max? This is hybrid. Come on, hybrid this. Come on. It doesn't let me hybrid it anymore for some reason. Oh my gosh, let me. I'm getting somewhere right now. Oh, there is no EV charge right. Oh, am I stuck? Yep, I'm so stuck. I can't rev for some reason. Come on. Oh, it's FWD. Can't rev because, yeah, the scene front wheel drive sucks. Come on. Just give me like 1 inch further, will you, car? Yeah, I'm putting myself actually at the asphalt so I can gas up. Just a little boost. That should help a bit. I'm getting slowed down due to mud, and first reset used up. Can't use EV for some reason because it's not charging. Come on, come on. I feel like because I just put myself on a hill, couldn't rev in time, so now it's able to rev. I hope it's getting off. Come on, the waterfall that's coming up. Come on, get up there, car. You're not gonna die on me, are you? That's the waterfall. We're getting so close. Wait, oh, this thing is AWD. Wait, this is like EV in reverse, but like, I have no idea what this even is. I actually have no idea what type of wheel drive this thing is, so don't blame me if I get this wrong. If any of you guys own one of these in the UK or the Europe, just tell me what wheel drive this is. Yeah, you can only go. Come on. I think this is all-wheel drive, but I'm not really sure. Come on, just get me in freaking reverse gear. My pedals are literally being pushed away from me just because how hard I'm stepping on them. Okay, yeah, one more placement. This thing gets no grip here, so that's a big problem. And what I mean by no grip and that happens, I need to like get this thing mounted on the side of this wall to make it be able to drive through. And when I say drive through, it reminds me of a meme where a guy literally just drives a car through a pharmacy, be like, drive through. Back myself if I can. Turn on TC and I want to see what it does. And let me just do a tire change. In the middle of nowhere. Standard. Oh my god, it only has these. Boop. Okay, now does it look like so much better? Should be there. Now it's gonna have very good off-road wheels. Some mad person just upgraded their Vignale. Oh yeah, this thing gets like so much more grip with the Tundra wheels than the normal wheels. Come on, yeah, it was so much further. First waterfall is pretty much no. You can't conquer it. One more try. Aim to the inside, so it might just push me out. This thing has such like a low engine base that just floods out even try to go to the waterfall. There, I conquered it. This thing has won the challenge. So that ends today's video, folks, of the Ford S-Max actually beating everybody. Although I did some minor adjustments, but bye guys, see you next time.